Top 3 reasons business owners tend to fail. Number 1, not knowing their target audience. Now, I know you probably heard the words target audience a lot, but a lot of people don't really know what exactly that is or how to define their target audience. Without knowing who your target audience is, you're basically taking shots in the dark when it comes to your marketing, when it comes to your product, and most importantly, when it comes to your messaging. Because who are you talking to? And if you don't know your target audience, then we know there's no real strategy there. Number 2, you have no marketing strategy and you don't know how to market. A lot of people get into business and they don't know how to market. They don't know what marketing is and they don't know how to do it. And what ends up happening is they see what other people are doing and they do just that. And they think that that's the whole strategy. Social media marketing is not a marketing strategy. That's just part of the marketing strategy. Email marketing is not a marketing strategy. That's just part of the strategy. There's a lot of moving parts when it comes to marketing, and a lot of people don't understand this, and this is where their business suffers. Because they end up leaving money on the table and they end up doing things that they're not supposed to be doing, and they're also not doing things that they're supposed to be doing. Every business needs their own marketing strategy that's specific to their own business. Don't just think you're going to be able to copy what other people are doing and be successful at it. And number 3, posting content that doesn't attract your target audience. I can't stress this enough. Knowing your target audience is the literal key to a successful business. Knowing what they're going to respond to, knowing the type of content that they're going to resonate with, knowing what makes them inspired, knowing what motivates them, knowing what their pain points are, knowing what they're struggling with, knowing them down to their core is what's going to make you be able to create content that they will not only respond to, but will convert them